Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cod in the oven. First, preheat your oven to a robust 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat ensures a beautiful crust and even cooking. Next, grab your fresh or fully thawed cod fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick for best results. Remember to gently pat them dry with paper towels, as this simple step is crucial for achieving that perfectly flaky texture and a golden finish. Now let's talk about building incredible flavor for your cod. You'll want to generously season both sides of each fillet, ensuring every bite is delicious. A fantastic starting point is a simple blend of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and just a touch of garlic powder. For an extra bright flavor, consider a sprinkle of dried dill or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice before baking. For baking, arrange your seasoned cod on a lightly oiled baking sheet or in a shallow oven-safe dish. This prevents sticking and promotes even cooking. Bake the fish in your preheated oven for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Thinner fillets will cook faster, so watch them closely. The cod is perfectly cooked when it becomes opaque throughout and gently flakes apart with a fork, showing its delicious readiness. Once your cod is beautifully baked, serve it immediately to enjoy its peak freshness and delicate texture. This versatile fish pairs wonderfully with a variety of side dishes, like crisp roasted asparagus or perfectly steamed green beans for a healthy option. For a more filling meal, consider serving it alongside fluffy white rice, nutritious quinoa, or a vibrant, light garden salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.